Hello everyone, in this video we are drawing an additional table for base 9. In base 9, the possible number in base 9 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 in base 9 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 in base 9 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 in base 9 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 in base 9 is 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 in base 9 is 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 in base 9 is 5. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 in base 9 is 6. 0 plus 8, 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 in base 9 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in base 9 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 in base 9 is 3. 1 plus 4, 3 is 4. 4 in base 9 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 in base 9 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 in base 9 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 1 remainder 0. 9, 0 remainder 1. From top to bottom, we have 10 is 10. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 in base 9 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 in base 9 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 in base 9 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 in base 9 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 in base 9 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 in base 9. 1 remainder 1. 0 remainder 1. From top to bottom, half 11 is 11. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 in base 9 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 in base 9 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 in base 9 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 in base 9 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 in base 9 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 1 remainder 2. 9, 0, remainder 1. 12 is 12. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 in base 9 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 in base 9 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 in base 9 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 in base 9 is 1. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 1, 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 in base 9 is 13. 13. 5 plus 1 plus 0 is 5 in base 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 in base 9 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 in base 5 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 in base 9 is 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 in base 9 is 14. 6 plus 1, 0 is 6. 6 in base 9 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 in base 9 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 in base 9 is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 in base 9 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 in base 9 is 15. 7 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 in base 9 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 in base 9 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 in base 9 is 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 in base 9 is 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 in base 9 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 in base 9 is 16. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in base 9 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 in base 9 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 12 in base 9 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 in base 9 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 in base 9 is 15. 1, 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 in base 9 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 in base 9 is 17. Thank you for watching.